didn't even know if he was going to make it to the last round in Saxony. We didn't know if he was going to make it here on Laguna Seca. He's a 9-time world champion, everybody. Come on, I want to hear it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Valentino Rossi.
That's a reception, mate.
Francesca is shorter each week, Valentino, yeah? Going to put them down. But, right, where do we start?
If you want to all take a seat, we can start asking you some questions.
Oh my golly, where do we start?
God, this is...
We want to start at the beginning, really, didn't we? With Kenny, I think. I think we'll start with Kenny, thanks, Ryan. So, Kenny, long time ago, you arrived in Europe. You took us all by storm. And now here you are lined up with some great American riders. It was a start of an incredible revolution, wasn't it?